Strength can be muscular contraction and force production. It can be stability. It can be endurance. And underneath all of that is skill and the ability to on-call contextually show and display that strength. Just break it down simple. Strength is a skill.
The idiots I see who are academics who will tell somebody that there's no particularly right way to pick up a weight off the ground. You bet there's a best way to protect your back, and it is proficiency and skill and maximal force stability for strength. There is always an optimal way to look after yourself. And if you learn the optimal way to move, then you are going to have skill. So I would never take advice on lifting technique from a person who has never had to experience what it's like to work with loaded lifting.